Hello everyone, so I am back with my readings today, and again today is pick a card. So this is card 1 and this is card 2. So call on your angels, archangels, divine, whomever you feel connected to help you with selecting the card that is the guidance for you today. I shall give you all a couple of seconds. Okay, so now let's start with card 1. This is the card for you. Take charge of the situation. A beautiful card, Moses. Uh, Basically, this card comes when the universe knows that you can make your own life and you can rule your own life, and you know what is going on and you are ready to face it and you're ready to accept it. And it's actually a beautiful card because I don't see anything negative. I feel that time has come to take action. So if you've decided to start something in your career, then the time has come for that. If you have decided that you want to make a decision and you want to become an authoritative figure, then time has come for that. If you feel that you want to reevaluate your life and start something new and start something progressive, then again for that this is the card. So basically today, whatever you decide, he is going to help you and manifest it, and he is going to make you courageous and beautiful. If you see the card, there's a tsunami coming here. Now this tsunami is more like a positive one, and it's going to give you abundant blessings. Let's see what the angel cards are manifesting. Now see, that's a beautiful card, Acreal. If you see here, beautiful time. I'm not going to go with the meaning of the angel. I just feel that you have a beautiful time and the angel is blessing you. And now if you see closer, he has the heart also. So I feel here the angel is blessing you, and I'm actually very happy that you will be able to handle things beautifully and move forward in your life. Today, wear something in yellow, and those who have citron, carry a citron with you. If you don't have a citron, it's perfectly fine. Just wear a yellow with you. And today in the morning, burn a lamp. Now in that lamp, pour ghee, and with that add a small drop of rose oil. If you don't have rose oil, then little bit of rose petals inside the ghee, and burn it so that anything which is stopping as obstacles will get cleared. And also those who follow Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, can chant Shreem 108 times today to start your day with beautiful blessings. Now let's go to the card 2. Oh, that's a beautiful card. Stay focused. Kutumi card, when Kutumi had come in my life also years back, when I was losing distraction, I was not, able to focus on things, and I just didn't know. A lot of wavering energies around me. I used to be emotionally up and down. I used to sometimes be very happy, sometimes very sad. I used to wonder sometimes, yes, my life has changed, and sometimes, oh my God, why my life is like this. So it was a lot of reflexes happening inside my body, and at that time this card had come and it had said stay focused. So what I did at that point of time, I used to prefer wearing light colors. So maybe you should also start wearing light colors for the next 2-3 days. I used to wear light colors, and I used to have a bath with rock salt water every day morning, and in that rock salt water I used to add a pinch of rosemary, that my aura is protected and my aura is sealed. So you can also do the same thing for your aura to be protected and sealed. And every day morning I used to chant Om Gam Ganapatiye Namaha 108 times. I did that for a couple of days, but you can do it for 3 days, and you will see a lot of beautiful changes around you. But overall it says be focused and you will achieve what you want. So let's see what the angel card has got to say. Again, this is Aniel. Aniel is a beautiful card where here I feel the angel is showing you the direction. Angel is saying go to the direction, don't look back, don't think about past things, don't look back and think what is happening, why it happened. Forget everything and just move forward in your journey. So do that. And maybe the card came so that I can tell you what I used to do, so that you all can also do that and be happy in your life. And like, I would love to bring in a affirmation card. This is your miracle now card. Today, start saying 11 times in the morning. The key to getting what I want is to ask for it. So you will not say this, you will say, today I shall ask for whatever I desire. I repeat, today I shall ask for whatever I desire. And you will automatically know how to ask what you desire and how to be successful in getting it. Have a beautiful day ahead. May God bless you all with loads and loads of success. Thank you.